ang aking crab and corn soup with spinach and egg. So good. Yummy. Look at that. Ayan. Sarap. Wow. Ayan mga best. Sobrang sarap ng soup na to. Ayan. Halika na. Kain na tayo. Ayan. At yung ating spinach, half cook lang. Alam nyo ba, ang spinach ay napaka-high benefit sa ating body circulations. But as much as possible pag tayo nagluluto, anything na spinach ang ating gagamitin, don't overcook the spinach para hindi mag-evaporate yung kanyang benefits, no? So, makuha natin lahat to contribute to our body circulation. This is so good and you will get so much